Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about the new favorites tab in Camtasia 2020. Alright, so in the new version of Camtasia, which is the 2020 version, they have this new favorites tab right here. And this will save you a lot of time if you utilize it correctly. So I'm just going to click on the favorites tab right now, and you can see that I already have some stuff that is favorited, and you can favorite, text, the blur tool, some transitions, behaviors, color adjustment, noise removal. And by having all this stuff here, I can just go to this one tab instead of going to all the different tabs. So I have some media here, and I'm going to drag it down here. It's just a test media clip of my business partner, Arit. And normally when I start editing a video, there are certain things that I do. So I would drag the clip down, and then I would do something like noise removal. And so if I wanted to do that, I would go to audio effects, and then I would drag noise removal down. And then I would go and do color correction, so I could go to visual effects and grab color correction. And you can see that I'm going to many different tabs to get all these different features. But with the favorites, you can just go to one. And how you add a feature in the favorites is really easy. You basically just go to something that you want to favorite. Let's say you want to favorite this, and you just click the star button right in the top right corner of whatever you want to favorite, and it'll go into your favorites tab. So you can see these two are favorited because I use them a lot. So you'll see those in your favorites. Now, let's say that I'm editing a video, I've got the favorites tab. This is how you utilize it in a fast way. So I've got everything in here. I made sure all the stuff that I use is in here. So first thing I would do is I would do noise removal as soon as I drag a clip down to the timeline. So I would drag that. Okay, noise removal automatically does it. I don't usually change anything here. And then, okay, so let's say we want to color correct this. So I drag this down here. It's already in the favorites tab. And then I'll do my color correction on here. Usually like making things a bit brighter and a bit more vibrant. And you can see if I remove it, it'll be a little bit more dull, so it's actually good to have it on. So let's say that's good. And then let's say I want some text already on here. Drag that. Put my business partner's name. This is just a test thing. But these are typical things that I would do if I were editing a video. And I'll just highlight that. Change it to black, white. Just pretend like that's her name over here. Put it down in the bottom corner. That's just a test. But you can see that everything was in there in the favorites tab ready to go. Now you can also sort it by type, by annotations, transitions, visual effects, and audio effects. But I like it like in the all type because it automatically orders it accordingly anyways. They already have all this stuff here at the top, and then the transitions. I don't have a crazy amount of stuff in here, so I'm actually okay with the way that they laid it out. So I would highly recommend utilizing the favorites tab in the new Camtasia 2020 version because it actually does save you time. And I find myself when I'm editing now, I just go to that tab and then I just take everything from there. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. If you like these kinds of videos, I have a 9+ hour Camtasia course that you guys can get 2 months free access to. There's over 70 lectures, and if you really want to fast track your Camtasia learning, I highly recommend you check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.